All right, I want to talk about something that's one of our design considerations that I mean most people don't think about, but when you wear a puffy jacket, a down puffy jacket, if you sit back in your seat, it crushes the loft of your jacket and your back actually gets cold. So there's two things you can do that. You can either have a liner that you know, an additional liner that you can add to this, or an overquilt or something like that to keep your back from getting cold, or you can design your seat, which we have, so that it is narrow here and wider here for your legs, but it can actually accommodate your jacket to go over the whole thing and keep your back warm. And I'm just going to show that to you real quick. So you sit in a chair, you can actually unzip your jacket, pull the jacket over, and still zip up your jacket. Right? And then you're not crushing that loft. See how it's nice and narrow in here, but that I have the seat relief cut out here so it's not pinching my butt. But then I can actually get my jacket over it. My back will never get cold because I'm not crushing the loft of the jacket. It's so good.